Kuringana na aciaria mwana uyu maugite mundurume uyu uri wikaine ta Dominic Mathenge akoretwo agikuruhanio na mahitia maingi ma kuringa tuiritu tunini itheru makiria riria ari muriu.
Nilichukua jukumu nikaita wazee ambao ni wa area ya kwetu tukaanza kumhoji, na wakati ambapo tulimhoji yeye mwenyewe alijaribu kukataa, lakini alionyeshana kweli kabisa, kwa sababu mtoto kuuliza hata na wazee kama anamjua, alisema anamjua. Kwa hivyo tulichukua hatua na tukaita polisi wakaja wakamchukua wakampeleka ndani.
Thutha wa mwana ucio gutwarwo thibitari-ini ya Nairobi Women's mwena wa Naikuru, riboti iria irarekereirio ni murigitani munene wa thibitari ino ironania kuna kairitu gaka ni kahamitwo kimwiri. Agikira horo mukonde OCPD wa gicigo giki Edward Wafula augite kimaramani giki kihingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Bahati na ni matanyite gwikinya igoti-ini muthenya wa umuthi.
Police officers at the Bahati police station received a report from the parent of the victim, who is aged 3.5 years on defilement, and their neighbor, who is aged 35 years, had defiled the child. So my officers swung in action, and we were able to apprehend the culprit yesterday, who will appear before a criminal court tomorrow, very early in the morning, to face charges of defilement.
Oho OCPD ni oritie aciari othe gukorwo mari cemba riu ciana ihingite thukuru niguo gutigira itinagwo mitego-ini imaramari. Ngiripotera Kameme TV, ritora kwa ni Ngugi wa Gatua.